Hello friends, ANIK CHOWDHURY here and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Level Up For You. Friends, do you think the world of aeroplane is vast, right? Very vast. And a few years ago, a Ukrainian inventor called Vladimir Tatarenko has again kept one more new invention in this pile. And this aeroplane has a detachable cabin, meaning that the cabin in which the passengers sit that will be ejected from the rest of the aeroplane, which will consist of parachutes, and it will eject in the case of emergency. But when I too first heard about this invention, I had instantly many questions, and you also might have that questions. That what if the aeroplane, means that cabin, doesn't land on simple land? If it lands on between buildings, or in mountains, or what in water? Yeah, there are many questions. And today in this video we are going to answer these questions. So stay tuned to know something really interesting. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. And if you think this video was interesting, don't forget to press the like button as well. So now let's move forward. Before proceeding with our today's topic, I'd like to explain that our today's concept is divided into three sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. In the Section A, we'll discuss how this idea actually works. And in this Section B, we will discuss that who and when will this aeroplane become a reality. And coming to the Section C, we'll discuss that what problems this aeroplane is facing. So now first let's start with Section A. So if we talk about the procedure of this aeroplane, then you have to understand it in this way. First, there will be a different cabin which is separate from the rest of the parts of aeroplane, and in the airport that cabin will be attached to the outer part of the airplane. And when the airplane flies, if there is any problem or any emergency, the pilot will push a button and the detachable cabin will come out of the rest of the aeroplane parts, meaning it will separate and its parachute will open and it will land safely on the ground. And yeah, pilots are out of luck. But yeah, as usual, the pilots can use their parachute to land safely. Coming to the Section B, which is whether this idea will become a reality. So first I would like to say that many people say that this idea will never be real. And one of the main reasons is the low rate of accidents. For example, if we take the year 2014, which was one of the tragic years in air flight, about 3.3 billion people traveled using air flight in 2014, but only 641 people died. And on the other side, about 160,000 people are dying yearly due to heart disease. Now, What do you think? Even if you were in that situation, what will you choose? To save only 641 people or to save 160,000 people? Of course 160,000 people, because they alone the construction and the aeroplane will cost from 100 to 350 million dollars. So, and government also thinks like that only. And that's only the reason. Coming to the section C, which is what problems this aeroplane is actually facing. So this aeroplane is actually facing many questions, and one of the major question is where will it land? Yeah, I know, of course you will say that on the ground, but that's not the case. What if the detachable cabin lands like this, that half of the part of detachable cabin is on a building and the rest is in air? Then, and what if the detachable cabin does not land on plain ground? What if it landed on mountains? And what if the detachable cabin lands on the road? Yeah, even if the passengers sitting in the detachable cabin, even if survive, the people on the road will be killed or badly injured. So there are many questions behind the detachable cabin. As a final summary, we conclude that though this is a very creative idea, it is facing a lot of problems and all of them are quite genuine. So now we can only expect that these problems will be rectified in the coming future. So what's your opinion? Comment me down below. And that's only the final conclusion. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you really did, then don't forget to press the like button, and to join our informative channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So it's all for today. Till then, goodbye.